Hello everyone, I am Prerna from Wisdomjobs. Today, I am going to discuss about various steps in hiring process. This video will give you a quick but substantial step-by-step overview of the hiring process. I am sure that this will be helpful to go further. Let's begin with the first step. Selecting the right person depends on following series of distinct steps. What type or level of position you want to fill, the process also ensures that your recruitment is efficient and fair. Let's look at each of these steps briefly. The first step is figure out what you need in a new hire. Before you hire anyone, take some time to determine exactly what you are looking for in a new employee. The second step is find candidates. Writing a job description on a relevant job board may be an easy and inexpensive way to start getting applicants for your opening. The third step is set up interviews. Once you have applicants, screen them to figure out which ones are likely to suitable with the criteria determined in step 1. Once you have identified promising candidates, set up interviews with them. The fourth step is interview the candidates. Interviewing is an art. Talk with a candidate on multiple occasions and have multiple people interview them. The fifth step is background and reference checks. Once you have found a promising candidate, conduct a reference check. So in addition to a reference check, you may want to conduct a full background check on a candidate's potential criminal history. The sixth step is extend an offer. It's best to start by discussing your offer over the phone and then send a follow-up offer letter through email. Make sure to include all the relevant information while writing your offer letter. The final step in the hiring process would be negotiations. Be prepared to salary negotiation with candidates. Find a number of resources online about how to negotiate with candidates. Hope this information will help you to find the right candidate. And do not forget to subscribe our channel.